This Coldwell Banker Heritage Homes property video is presented by Sharon Howard. Priced right and move-in ready. This 4-bedroom brick home has all new windows and is totally remodeled. Awesome open floor plan. Heat and air units have been replaced in the last year. Water heater replaced recently. Master bedroom has 2 large walk-in closets. Large, fenced backyard includes 2 storage buildings. Come take a look at this home at a good price. Call Sharon Howard to set your appointment today at 9013-595331 for more information. Review the details below or contact Sharon Howard at 870-732-4655.